YouTube? My name is Gen-zel and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you on how you can instantly transform your hair from this to this. So I got the Irresistible Me clip-in hair extensions, and ganito yung packaging niya. It comes in a box like this, and when you open it, tada! Ayan, medyo cute yung girl. And here is the product. Ito yung mismong package niya. Ayan. Oops. And ito yung mismong hair. So what I got is the Royal Remy 100% human hair. And this is in light brown, 200 grams and 20 inches length. So, they asked me na pumili ng gusto kong length, gusto kong hair color, and gusto kong volume and type of extension. Ano to, nung hindi ko pa nabubuksan, ayan, naka-seal siya. Void of return when removed. So, if gusto nyo siyang i-return, make sure na hindi nyo to bubuksan. Kasi, paano yan? Ayan, meron sa likod. You can find here, it says, this piece is packaged separately to give you better look at the shade and length without opening the full set. So, wag mo muna itong bubuksan. You open this first and then check if ito ba yung gusto mo, tama yung shade, tama yung length, and everything. Kapag tingin mo okay na, then that's the time that you can open this part of the pouch. But, if hindi mo gusto yung hair color, yung clips, and everything, gusto mo siyang i-return, so, huwag mo itong gagalawin. Ayan. Kasi nakalagay dito, void of return when removed. So, pag nawala na to, na-peel off na to, hindi mo na to pwedeng ibalik or papalitan sa kanila. Wala siyang buhol. Grabe, ang ganda. Diba, like, sa ibang wigs, kapag may na siya, like, may buhol-buhol, and lagas-lagas. Ito, wala yan. I keep combing it. Ayan. For clip weft. Ayan. You can order their signature weft separately, pero hindi nila mag-guarantee na sobrang volumizing siya. If you want really like volumizing results, you can order the sets. Yung may mga, like with this one. 3 clips weft. And then 5 pieces ng 2 clips na weft. And 2 pieces ng 1 clip or single clip weft. So I'm gonna show you on how I'm going to wear this. for my video on how you can achieve instant long hair and glammed up featuring Irresistible Me clip-in hair extensions. I love it. Actually, more than love. I'm obsessed with their hair extensions. I'm planning to get more, like siguro ibang length and ibang hair color. I'm also planning to really get this kind of light brown na ang ganda niya even for morena skin tone. Because right now, it looks like, highlight. Parang mga highlights siya sa hair ko. And I super love it. Ayan, ganyan siya kahaba. Ayan. So, nakakamiss na maging, like, mahaba yung hair. Ayan. So guys, I highly suggest na you curl your hair first na lang before you put on the clip-in hair extensions. Kasi kanina, di ba, I have straight hair and then I put on the extensions. Para mas mahirap siyang i-curl na kasama mismo yung, tawag dito, yung hair extensions. Mas maganda kung curled na yung original hair mo, then you put the hair extensions. And guys, you can also clean this just like the normal routine natin for our hair. You can use shampoo and then conditioner and have it blow dry. Dapat dry na dry siya before you store it. You can hang it sa tawag dito sa closet nyo using yung mga may clip na hanger. And you can also put it back dito sa net na to and sa kanyang box para maayos siya when you store it. That's all, guys. I'll talk to you again soon. This has been Gen-zel signing off. Wishing your day to be as flawless as your makeup. Bye! Love it!